exploring the origins and impact of chicken tikka masala. Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Void, where we explore the fascinating history, culture, and economics of the world's favorite foods. Today, we're diving into the delicious and legendary chicken tikka masala. Is it Indian? Is it British? Or is it the ultimate fusion dish? Stick around as we uncover its origins, cultural significance, and even its economic impact. And of course, I'll be sharing an amazing recipe so you can make it at home. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with history. The origins of chicken tikka masala are a bit of a mystery, with multiple theories floating around. Some say it evolved from Punjabi butter chicken, a creamy tomato-based dish that originated in India. Others believe it was created in the UK by South Asian immigrants who adapted Indian flavors to suit British palates. One of the most famous origin stories takes us to Glasgow, Scotland, in the 1970s. According to legend, a Bangladeshi chef named Ali Ahmed Aslam at the Shish Mahal restaurant invented the dish when a customer complained that their chicken was too dry. The chef quickly improvised, whipping up a creamy tomato sauce with aromatic spices, and just like that, chicken tikka masala was born. Regardless of where it first appeared, the dish took off in Britain, becoming a symbol of cultural fusion. In fact, in 2001, British Foreign Secretary Robin Cook called it a true British national dish, not just because it was popular, but because it reflected the way Britain absorbs and adapts external influences. Talk about food diplomacy. Chicken tikka masala is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of migration, adaptation, and globalization. It represents how South Asian immigrants blended their culinary traditions with British tastes, creating something entirely new. For many in the South Asian diaspora, it's a dish that bridges two cultures. It's Indian in flavor, but British in its adaptation, making it a prime example of how food evolves with migration. Chicken tikka masala also helped popularize Indian cuisine worldwide. Before the 20th century, Indian food wasn't as mainstream outside South Asia. But thanks to dishes like chicken tikka masala, Indian flavors became a staple in restaurants and homes across the globe. Now you can find it in cities like New York, Sydney, and Toronto, often served with naan and basmati rice. Now, let's talk money, because chicken tikka masala isn't just culturally significant, it's an economic powerhouse. In the UK alone, the Indian restaurant industry, run largely by Bangladeshi, Pakistani, and Indian entrepreneurs, is worth over £4 billion. Chicken tikka masala is often one of the best-selling dishes, making it a key driver of the industry. Beyond restaurants, chicken tikka masala has influenced the food manufacturing sector. Supermarket brands like Paddock's and Sharwood's sell ready-made chicken tikka masala sauces and frozen meals, making it easier than ever to enjoy this dish at home. And let's not forget the impact on the spice trade. The demand for key ingredients, like cumin, coriander, garam masala, and even dairy, has surged, benefiting farmers and food exporters worldwide. Now, let's get to the fun part, making your own authentic chicken tikka masala at home. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients for the chicken tikka. 500 grams or 1 pound boneless chicken thighs or breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. Half a cup plain yogurt. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon oil. For the masala sauce, 2 tablespoon butter or oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 cup tomato puree or crushed tomatoes. Half a cup heavy cream, or coconut milk for a dairy-free option. Half a cup water, as needed. 1 tablespoon sugar, optional but controls that acid from the tomatoes. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions. Mix yogurt, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, and spices. Add chicken, coat well, and marinate for at least 1 hour. Overnight is best. Grill, bake, or pan-fry the chicken until charred and cooked through. Sauté onions, then add ginger garlic paste and spices. Stir in tomato puree and cook until thickened. Add cream and simmer. Add the cooked chicken to the sauce and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with rice or naan. And boom! You just made an amazing chicken tikka masala at home. Now, I want to hear from you. Chicken tikka masala is often called a British national dish, but do you think it should be considered more British or Indian? Or is it the perfect example of cultural fusion? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you loved this deep dive into the history of food, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Knowledge Void, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a tasty episode. And if you want to help support the channel and keep these delicious videos coming, check out my Patreon. Exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and more await you. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.